Nasal strips are another common item that are used across all equine disciplines. In racing specifically, they were introduced in 1999 after breathe right strips became popular amongst pro athletes. Let's dive further into how they impact horse racing. The breathe right strips are drug-free, self-adhesive, and promote respiratory health. Respiratory health being one of the most important things on race day, as these horses are exerting themselves at the highest possible level at top speeds. Occasionally in horses, their nasal passages can collapse, allowing for less oxygen to get to their lungs. The nasal strips help hold those passages open to allow for more oxygen to flow into their lungs. This is important because horses are unable to breathe out of their mouth like humans can, so all of their oxygen intake is done through their noses. By having the breathe right strips, it also helps promote recovery time post-race as the oxygen is continuing to flow at a high level in the horse's lungs. Horses that wear the nasal strips were shown in some studies to have 5 to 6% less energy exerted than horses that weren't wearing the nasal strips during races. The other large part that the nasal strips can play on race day is reduce the stress of the pulmonary blood vessels in the lungs, which could reduce a horse's risk of bleeding on race day. Now, this is not to say that nasal strips replace the medication Lasix by any stretch of the imagination, because Lasix is commonly used for horses that bleed. The nasal strips simply provide another tool for trainers and horsemen to have their horses use on race day to help them perform at their highest possible level.